today we are doing a video review and unboxing of the Ecolum. This is a rechargeable mosquito zapper. I bought this at the True Value in Ayala. This normally costs 700 pesos. I bought it for 560 pesos because it's on sale. With your pobre kaayo. Here it goes, you get the... It is USB rechargeable. It's not USB-C, like it's normal micro USB, but I'm sure if you lose the cable, there's plenty of those cables to go around. Here it is. It's a 2-in-1 rechargeable mosquito killer. So the first one, you can use it as a racket to just swing it around to get them like that. And the second method, I hope this thing is not on.
But will it electrify you?
Yeah! The second thing you can use it for is a stand. Put it in like this, and then you switch it on like that. So this light attracts mosquitoes. You can just put it here and wait for the mosquitoes to come. It would have really be funny if a mosquito just flew into that. But anyway, for now we're just gonna use it as a zapper.
Alright.
Let's see, the moment of truth. Now we just need a fly.
So now that we're looking for all the flies are hiding.
You see, this is how good this thing works. You don't even need to use it, the flies just need to see it and they will disappear.
Maybe let's go to the kitchen.
Yeah, but I just saw a fly here now.
Okay.
There it is. Okay, we're somewhere on this. I see it. Come on, first shot. I don't think it's on. I don't know. But it's on now, I can hear it. Trust me. But this feels like a high quality piece of equipment. I saw some on Shopee for 200 pesos. I don't really trust the Shopee stuff, so I just went for the original. Where's that fly now? I saw him here. Where are the flies? This is just how good this thing works. There used to be a million flies here before I unboxed it and now it's gone. I go inside?
No flies.
You see, this is how good this thing works. I just unboxed it and there it is.
Oh, where's the fly?
Hello. Here. It's a 2-in-1. Flies and mosquitoes.
Ecolum.
Yes!
Where? Oh, let me show them. Yeah, the fly. There's the fly right there.
Oh, it stinks. Until there are no more flies left.
So you're a fly killer.
I am the fly exterminator.
You're the competence of lion, tiger.
You are the
Here.
Are you popular?
4. The score is 4.
Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Xiaomi.
Let's go outside.
Yeah, let's go back outside. See, ever since I bought this, there are no more flies. This thing works. Okay, Mateo is having a try now. So far, I already got 2.
Are you okay? Here we go. Oh, please die. I see flies. Be patient. Wait before you get hit. I have to be fast. So we can hit one. Oh, I think one.
No, it's dead.
That was this
I
dead.
already killed them.
Oh! I hit a mosquito! Nakaikot ang mosquito! Kamay kayo! Look pa, choo!
Flat on the ground.
Like that.
Like that?
Okay. This is
From the front, huh? Here. From the front.
where from? Oh, I think I saw one.
Nice one! You saw on it?
Oh.
Press it again.
Ilang mas lamay og may sombra.
Okay, I think we're gonna rest for now, and we're gonna wait for the flies to recoup and come back to the battle zone, because obviously they are chickening out. Okay, so it's been a week or two that I've been using this thing, and I've been learning a few things. Like the first thing is, if you switch it on, there's a light indicator, so it shows you the amount of battery life that is left. It's only 3 out of 4 lights, so soon I'll need to charge this thing. Another thing is there's a light here, so when the racket will shock you, this light will go red. So it has 3 different modes. It's off now, then you can switch it on the first on. Then you will have to press this button for it to work. So right now, if I press this button, this will shock. And then it has another on, so if you switch it on the top on, then this light will go on. See, the red light is blinking, so if you touch this thing, it will go on. This mode is really good for using it with the stand, because this will drain a lot of battery because the light is on, so I recommend plugging it in. The thing I like most about this thing is that it has USB, so you can use a power bank, so you don't need to leave it into a power outlet or something like that. So right now we're gonna just put it down here and see if we can catch some mosquitoes. Okay, so that's it. We got like a few mosquitoes. How much did we get? Like 5?
I think 5. Yeah.
4 or 5 mosquitoes in I don't know how long. In 20 minutes time. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.